Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to add a signature in Outlook quickly and easily. First, open Outlook web by going to outlookoffice.com and logging into your account. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and tap the account. Next, click the signature and tap the new signature. Here you can create your custom signature by typing your name, job title, and any other information you'd like to include. Type your signature name first, like that. And then in here, you can also add a logo, social media links, or customize the font, colors to match your style. Below the box, you'll see options to apply your signature automatically to new emails and replies or forwards. Choose the settings that work best for you. Once you're happy with your signature, click Save, and you're all set. Now you have a professional email signature set up in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thank you for watching.